Alright, in this video I'm going to show you an easy way to clean fabric seats using Citrus Fabric Clean. As you can see over here, the seats are not too bad in my truck. They do have some staining and some spots. So I'm going to just use Citrus Fabric Clean and remove all those spots and staining on the seats. And in this video, I'll show you an easy way to clean cloth seats in a car or truck. All right, this is a shampoo that I'm going to be using. It's Chemical Guys Foaming Citrus Fabric Clean. This is made for carpet and upholstery. It's carpet and upholstery shampoo. This is a 64-ounce bottle. I believe that they do sell it in a 12, 16-ounce bottle, and you can pick this up locally or you can order online. I recommend if you don't have a business, I recommend getting a smaller 12 or 16-ounce bottle. If you are doing this professionally, it makes sense to get the larger 64-ounce bottle or 1 gallon of this if it's still sold in 1 gallon. Over here I have a sprayer. I dilute 32 ounce. I dilute it 8-to-1. I feel like that gives me the most effective cleaning. 8-to-1 removes just about any stain from the seats. All right, for this video I'm going to use a drill brush just to make the process go a little bit quicker. If you don't have a drill brush, and what this is just an attachment for a drill. Drill brushes comes in a kit with 3 different drill brush attachments. I believe they're somewhere around $20 or $25. But if you don't have a drill brush and drill, you could just use a simple brush like this. Just make sure that the bristles aren't too stiff. You don't want to do any damage to the fabric. So just a $5 or $6 brush like this will be totally fine to agitate the surface and make sure that you lift up that stain on the seats. And I also have a microfiber towel just to wipe up any excess. The Citrus Fabric Clean, it does foam up, so any excess dirt from the seat will lift up with this microfiber. One thing I want to mention is a microfiber towel with a higher GSM, a thicker towel. You're going to be able to mop up more of that solution that's on the seats. So it's important to have a thicker towel that's going to be more absorbent, and it's going to pick up any of the remaining solution off of the seats just to make the drying process a lot quicker, and then also lift any dirt or grime off of those seats. All right, I'm going to start by applying a liberal amount of the solution onto the seats. First part of the demonstration, I'll show you how it is with just using a regular brush. So basically we're just going to use the brush just to agitate the cloth. And you can already see that solution starting to foam up on the seat. All right, I'm going to spray more of the solution. So we're getting more of the shampoo, the Citrus Fabric Clean onto the seats. Now I'm going to use drill brush to make the process go a little bit quicker. I'm going to mop up the solution, use a microfiber towel. All right, so you can see some of the dirt that'll lift up. It's not a crazy amount because these seats weren't too bad to begin with. All right, right now I'm just making sure that the seats are as dry as I can get them for right now. And for them to fully dry, it will take at least, a day or two. All right, I just want to show you how the seats look the day after. And the seats actually dried a few hours after I was done cleaning them. But this is the day after. Seats are totally dry. And as you can see, just about all of the staining is off of the fabric. All right, I just wanted to show you a mixing cup that I use to dilute the solution. So I use about 6.5 ounces of the Chemical Guys Citrus Fabric Clean and dilute it 32-ounce bottle. So 6.5 ounces, and I have a small collapsible funnel that I use to put a solution in to the bottle, and then just mix the rest up with water. That concludes this video. Just want to add that the Citrus Fabric Clean, it has a very light smell to it, and it's not strong or powerful at all. So pretty much the next day, you're hardly gonna even notice that smell, which to me is a really good thing. The last thing that you want is something that has a very harsh chemical smell. And with this fabric cleaner, it definitely doesn't have that, which is a good thing. Just so you know, remove stains, odors from carpets, seats, and floor mats. So obviously, seats easily removes the stains. Also on your carpets and floor mats, it's getting cut through stains. Pretty much no problem using either just a regular brush or a drill brush. On the floor mats, you'll probably want to use a stiffer bristle just to lift up those stains easier. And like I said, that concludes this video. If you found anything useful in this video, like and subscribe. Thank you.